Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariowit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create semi-automatic farm of seeds in Minecraft. Okay, I will show you how it's working. As you can see, you may create this farm on Hiked, in app, or on Wait. Okay, so here you have lever, and now you must put here redstone and redstone comparator to rejoining it with piston. Here is first piston, second piston, and third piston, and here you put water, and also here on the sides also water. Two seats have water. Here, and now when it grow up, you may just turn off your piston. As you can see, water bring it to you, everything. And also you may put here more stones to make sure everything fall down. Okay, and that's all in this video. So thanks for watching. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. I hope that I help you. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks. Okay.